Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Office app or visiting Office. And signing in, this links settings, files, and license. Make sure your Microsoft 365 subscription or free account is recognized so features match expectations. Once signed in, enable updates and confirm automatic updates are allowed to get security patches and new features. Then set OneDrive as your default save location and select which folders to sync. This ensures autosave works and you avoid version conflicts when collaborating. You next create a file from an appropriate template so structure is consistent and saves time. Use word styles and headings for navigation, track changes for edits, and tables for structured data. In Excel, rely on formulas and pivot tables to summarize large datasets efficiently. Once content is ready, share a link with specific permission levels rather than sending attachments, and co-author in real time so everyone edits a single source. These choices reduce duplication and maintain version control across. You complete the process by reviewing and accepting or rejecting edits, updating document properties for clarity, and exporting a PDF when sharing a fixed snapshot. Make a local backup and use version history in OneDrive to restore previous iterations if something goes wrong. If you encounter problems, first check OneDrive sync status and confirm Office is up to date. Try signing out and back in to refresh credentials. That quick troubleshooting step resolves most autosave and permission issues without redoing work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.